In a quaint town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Ethan. Like many boys his age, Ethan cherished moments spent playing with friends, observing the shifting shapes of clouds and listening to the melodies of birds. However, amid these joys, he faced a formidable challenge: his studies. Despite earnest efforts, Ethan found himself unable to grasp concepts or retain facts. His classmates' laughter at his mistakes only deepened his sense of discouragement. One day, while wandering in the nearby forest, Ethan stumbled upon a serene temple. Intrigued, he ventured inside and discovered monks engaged in deep meditation. The tranquility enveloping the place and the monk's aura of serenity put his mind at ease. Summoning his courage, Ethan approached the Zen master and confessed his struggles with studying. "Master, I find it difficult to concentrate and remember what I learn. Can you help me?" With a gentle smile, the Zen master responded, "Of course, but first, you must grasp the essence of studying and understand your mind. Let me impart some valuable guidance to help you concentrate and improve in your studies." And so, the Zen master began his teachings. Firstly, clear your mind, he instructed. Presenting a jar filled with muddy water, he asked Ethan what he saw. "Muddy water," Ethan replied. "Now, place the jar here and observe," said the master. After some time, the sediment settled and the water cleared. Gesturing towards the jar, the Zen master explained, "This muddy water represents your mind when cluttered with thoughts. Calm your mind through meditation before studying. By doing so, you'll achieve clarity and better comprehension." Continuing, the master introduced the concept of focusing on the present. He directed Ethan's attention to a burning candle, urging him to concentrate on its flame without distraction. Initially, Ethan's mind wandered, but with practice, he learned to remain focused. "The past is gone, and the future is yet to come," the master emphasized. "Stay anchored in the present when studying, and gently redirect your mind from past regrets or future worries." Next, the Zen master emphasized absorbing knowledge rather than mere memorization. He illustrated this with a sponge and a stone, demonstrating how the sponge absorbed water while the stone repelled it. "Be like the sponge," he advised. "Internalize knowledge, understand its essence, and relate it to real-life scenarios." The master then introduced the importance of breaking tasks into manageable steps. Presenting a large block of wood, he asked Ethan to split it. Despite initial struggles, Ethan learned to divide the task into smaller, achievable parts, leading to success. Similarly, approach your studies in segments, focusing on one at a time, the master explained. This approach prevents boredom and enhances understanding. Lastly, the Zen master emphasized the virtue of persistence. By planting seeds and nurturing one while neglecting the other, he demonstrated the power of consistency. Regular, consistent effort yields results, he affirmed. Even small daily study sessions can lead to significant progress over time. Inspired by these teachings, Ethan diligently practiced the master's principles. Over time, he noticed marked improvements in his studies. With enhanced focus, understanding, and perseverance, his academic performance flourished. Reflecting on his journey, Ethan realized that studying wasn't just about academic success. It was about personal growth and living fully. Armed with the wisdom gained from the Zen master, he embarked on life's journey with renewed determination and a profound appreciation for the lessons learned along the way. Now, let's dive into the lessons drawn from this story and how we can apply them in real life. Lesson 1. In Ethan's story, we witness a profound illustration of the first lesson, the importance of persistence. Despite facing academic challenges and ridicule from classmates, Ethan doesn't succumb to despair. Instead, he persists in seeking solutions and guidance from the Zen master. Through consistent effort and determination, Ethan gradually improves his study habits and academic performance. Similarly, in today's world, the lesson of persistence remains as relevant as ever. In the face of daunting challenges and setbacks, whether in academics, career pursuits, or personal endeavors, we often encounter moments of doubt and frustration. However, it is during these times that the virtue of persistence shines brightest. Just like Ethan, we must cultivate the resilience to persevere in the face of adversity. Whether it's overcoming academic hurdles, navigating a competitive job market, or pursuing ambitious goals, persistence is the key to success. By maintaining a steadfast commitment to our aspirations and refusing to be deterred by obstacles, we can steadily progress towards our objectives. Moreover, in today's rapidly evolving and competitive world, the ability to persevere in the pursuit of our goals is more crucial than ever. With technological advancements, economic uncertainties, and global challenges shaping our landscape, the journey towards success is often fraught with obstacles and uncertainties. However, it is precisely through unwavering persistence that we can navigate these complexities and emerge stronger on the other side. By embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, learning from failures, and relentlessly pursuing our aspirations, we can unlock our full potential and achieve remarkable feats. Lesson 2. In Ethan's story, we're introduced to a lesson that many people often overlook: the importance of mindfulness, particularly in the context of studying and concentration. Before encountering the Zen master's teachings, Ethan, like many of us, may have approached his studies with a scattered mind, easily distracted by thoughts of the past or worries about the future. Often, people mistakenly believe that multitasking or allowing their minds to wander while studying is an efficient way to absorb information. However, this misconception can lead to a myriad of negative consequences. Without mindfulness, our ability to concentrate suffers, making it difficult to retain information and comprehend complex concepts effectively. As a result, our academic performance may falter, leading to frustration, stress, and a lack of confidence in our abilities. Fortunately, the lesson of mindfulness offers a transformative solution. By practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, we can train our minds to remain focused and present during study sessions. By quieting the noise of distractions and centering our attention on the task at hand, we enhance our ability to absorb information, improve concentration, and boost our overall learning efficiency. The benefits of incorporating mindfulness into our study routine are manifold. Not only does it enhance our academic performance by facilitating better comprehension and retention of material, but it also fosters a sense of calmness and clarity in our minds. By cultivating a mindful approach to studying, we can reduce stress levels, increase productivity, and experience greater satisfaction and fulfillment in our academic pursuits. Moreover, the practice of mindfulness extends beyond the realm of academia, enriching every aspect of our lives. In today's fast-paced world, where distractions abound and stress levels run high, mindfulness offers a refuge, a moment of stillness amidst the chaos. By integrating mindfulness into our daily lives, we cultivate resilience, emotional intelligence, and a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. Lesson 3. This lesson centers on the principle of absorbing knowledge rather than simply memorizing information. This lesson emphasizes the importance of understanding concepts, internalizing them, and relating them to real-life scenarios rather than rote memorization. A common misconception surrounding this lesson is that memorization equates to learning. Many individuals believe that by memorizing facts and figures, they can demonstrate knowledge and succeed academically. However, this approach often leads to shallow understanding and limited retention of information. In reality, the benefits of absorbing knowledge go far beyond mere memorization. By understanding concepts deeply, we develop critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a broader perspective on the subject matter. Real-life examples abound to illustrate this point. Consider a student who memorizes mathematical formulas without understanding their underlying principles. While they may achieve success on exams in the short term, their ability to apply those formulas to real-world problems or adapt to new situations is limited. On the other hand, a student who absorbs the concepts behind the formulas gains a deeper understanding of mathematics and can apply their knowledge creatively in various contexts. By applying the principle of absorbing knowledge effectively, we unlock a multitude of benefits. Firstly, we enhance our comprehension and retention of information, leading to greater academic success and confidence in our abilities. Additionally, by understanding concepts rather than memorizing isolated facts, we develop a more holistic understanding of the subject matter, enabling us to make connections between different topics and disciplines. This interconnectedness fosters creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, essential attributes for success in both academic and professional pursuits. Furthermore, by relating concepts to real-life scenarios, we cultivate a deeper appreciation for the relevance and applicability of our learning, making the educational experience more engaging and meaningful. Lesson 4. This lesson revolves around the principle of breaking tasks into manageable steps. This lesson highlights the importance of approaching daunting challenges by dividing them into smaller, more achievable parts. By breaking tasks down into manageable steps, we can overcome feelings of overwhelm, maintain focus, and progress steadily towards our goals. Mastering this lesson has profound long-term implications for our personal and professional lives. By developing the skill of task segmentation, we empower ourselves to tackle complex projects with confidence and efficiency. Instead of feeling intimidated by large tasks, we can approach them methodically, breaking them down into actionable steps and making steady progress over time. This not only increases our productivity, but also enhances our sense of accomplishment and self-efficacy. Furthermore, the lesson of breaking tasks into manageable steps contributes significantly to our personal growth and self-improvement. By learning to break tasks down, we cultivate valuable organizational and time management skills. We become more adept at prioritizing tasks, allocating resources effectively, and staying focused amidst distractions. Additionally, as we experience success through incremental progress, our confidence and motivation are bolstered, encouraging us to tackle even greater challenges in the future. Incorporating this lesson into daily life and study habits is relatively straightforward. We can start by identifying larger tasks or goals and breaking them down into smaller, more manageable components. This could involve creating a detailed to-do list, setting specific milestones, or utilizing productivity techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, which breaks work into intervals separated by short breaks. By consistently applying these strategies, we can develop a habit of breaking tasks down and approach our responsibilities with greater clarity and efficiency. However, it's essential to be mindful of potential pitfalls or limitations associated with this lesson. While breaking tasks into smaller steps can be beneficial, there's a risk of becoming overly focused on minutiae and losing sight of the bigger picture. Additionally, if not done thoughtfully, task segmentation can lead to fragmentation and inefficiency, as too many small tasks may detract from our ability to focus on meaningful work. Therefore, it's important to strike a balance between breaking tasks down and maintaining a sense of purpose and direction in our endeavors. Lesson 5. Lesson 5 focuses on the virtue of persistence, emphasizing the importance of consistent effort and resilience in the face of challenges. This lesson is intricately woven into the fabric of the protagonist's journey in Ethan's story, where he encounters academic struggles and setbacks. Despite facing ridicule from classmates and grappling with difficulties in his studies, Ethan perseveres, seeking guidance and applying himself diligently to overcome obstacles. In real life, countless examples underscore the importance of persistence in achieving success. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, who famously attempted over 1,000 different experiments before successfully inventing the light bulb. His unwavering persistence in the face of repeated failures ultimately led to one of the most transformative inventions in history. Similarly, athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists often cite persistence as a key factor in their achievements, highlighting the power of perseverance in realizing long-term goals. Applying the lesson of persistence effectively offers numerous benefits. By maintaining a steadfast commitment to our goals, we increase our resilience and adaptability, enabling us to weather setbacks and overcome obstacles more effectively. Additionally, persistence fosters a growth mindset, encouraging us to view failures as opportunities for learning and growth rather than insurmountable barriers. This mindset shift not only enhances our confidence and motivation, but also fuels continued progress and innovation. Scientific research supports the effectiveness of persistence as a predictor of success in various domains. Studies have shown that individuals who exhibit high levels of persistence are more likely to achieve their goals, experience greater life satisfaction, and report lower levels of stress and anxiety. Moreover, neuroscientific research has demonstrated that the brain's reward system responds positively to perseverance, releasing dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of pleasure and motivation, in response to progress towards a goal. In essence, the lesson of persistence underscores the importance of maintaining a steadfast commitment to our aspirations, even in the face of adversity. By embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, cultivating resilience, and persisting in the pursuit of our goals, we unlock the potential to achieve remarkable feats and realize our fullest potential. As Ethan's story exemplifies, it is through persistence that we can transform obstacles into stepping stones and ultimately achieve success.